Hello, my name is Michael Todd. I work with 4-Star Freightliner in Midway, Florida. I'd like to take a few seconds to hit on one of my pet peeves, and it's wheel chocks. We use the rubber type like this in our shop with better grip on the concrete, inside, outside, gravel, anything. The first thing we do when we pull a truck in our shop is the technician gets out and chalks wheels, front and rear. It really doesn't matter whether it's front tires or back tires as long as you got two chalks. Also, we chalk anything on the yard, anything you're working on the yard or in the shop needs to be wheeled, chalk front and rear. It don't take but a split second for you to have an accident. As I had 20 years ago, I had a truck run over me in the shop very much like this, and it wouldn't have took just 5 seconds to chalk a wheel. Troy will demonstrate the proper way to chalk a wheel. See, it took Troy less than 5 seconds to properly chalk the truck. Just that 5 seconds possibly save you from being hurt, injured, keep us from having to explain to your family why you're in the hospital that day. Safety is a big factor. It is a written policy at 4-Star Freightliner that all vehicles being worked on inside or outside the shop has to have wheel chalks on. They are periodic checks from the supervisor, shop foreman, or any other technician who sees that your truck's not chalked properly. They are to remind you for your safety and ours.